Hello, this is Mitch King with Trade Stocks America with the Wednesday evening, February 10th, 2010 daily stock report. We're looking at the Dow 30 here, slight down. The market was down about 100 points on the Dow and came back to a break even and closed down 0.2 of 1% or 20 points on the Dow. The market's still acting weak, probably over a combination of the bailout that could occur in Europe with Greece, but there's still some doubt about the other countries, although people aren't talking about it too much this last couple of days. They do face the Greece, Ireland, Spain, Portugal, and possibly this Iceland situation with their debt. And the Fed Chairman Bernanke released a written statement that hinted at future rate hikes are possible. So that uncertainty is going to be enough to scare the market probably for another day or two. But the trading action so far is not real positive. It doesn't really parallel a typical pullback like we've seen the last 10 months, as we've talked about. Here's a 15-month history, and you can see on the last time we saw this was in this middle of June to first week of July. For about 3 weeks, and we've got a similar type of pattern here, although this one's a little steeper of a pullback. So it's really not clear to me what kind of action we're going to have and when this thing starts rebounding. But as it goes down, there's more of a chance, the odds increase, that we do get a rebound. Let's take a look at the ag chemical stocks. Here's AGU, up 3.2% today. Looking real good here. Consider selling the next 1 to 2 or 3 days. Let's take a look at MOS. Also has had several good days. We need to see this one break well above 58 to be a healthy looking rebound and hold above that 58 number. Here's POT, not near as strong as the other two, and IPI looks real weak to me. Here's Newmont Gold, needs to break above that 46 number and hold above it to be a healthy looking uptrend, but so far it's not doing that. Looks like 46 is kind of a resistance level in this last week or so. Schnitzer Steel has been acting well the last several days, up 1.2% today. Same comment here, needs to break above that $46 number and keep climbing to 47, 48. Toyota Motors is still climbing up, acting well. This could be sold at a couple different price points depending on what kind of style of trader you are or what suits your personality. But the first point to look at potential sale could be this $78 number here. And then if we can see this break into 82, that'd be a healthy sign for a little bit higher, maybe 84. So there's a couple price points which are logical places to look. Obviously that 78 looks like that's going to be a lot easier to occur fairly soon. But my instinct with Toyota Motors is to hold on it for a longer period of time than just our normal swing trades. Starbucks was stomped out. It's not been a great stock to be out of this year, as you can see from a longer time trend in the last 13, 14 months. Still been real strong. It's probably a bad move to let the stop triggered, so we got to keep our discipline. Here's that UHAL, U-Haul. It looks like it's weakening today, down a little bit. Didn't make a new high, so start watching this the next couple days for a potential short position. We're not trying to make a big home run on this, just a swing trade on the short side. So you guys know the routine. Put the odds in your favor. Don't get leveraged. We'll talk to you tomorrow night.